In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform into Framer and publish it. By the end, you'll have a live page with your Typeform seamlessly integrated, ready for visitors to fill out. Start by opening Typeform on your PC. In your dashboard, click the form you want to add to your site. At the top, go to the Share section. Here, choose Embed in a web page, then click Start Embedding. Typeform generates an iframe for you. This is a small snippet of HTML that safely displays your form inside another page. You don't need to tweak the code, you can leave the default options for now. Click to copy the iframe code so it's ready for use. Now switch over to Framer on your PC and open the project where you want the form to appear. Inside your project, click the plus icon for Insert and select Embed. An embed placeholder will appear on the canvas, along with a field to paste code. Paste the iframe code you copied from Typeform. You should see the form render right on your canvas, which makes it easy to design around. Next, resize and position the form so it fits your layout. Drag the edges or corners of the embed layer to get the width and height you want. Make sure it has enough vertical space so your form doesn't feel cramped or create unnecessary scroll bars. Place it where it naturally belongs on the page, often centered in a section with consistent padding and spacing. If your design uses a grid or constraints, align the embed to those so it scales nicely on different screen sizes. You can also nest the embed inside a container to keep spacing consistent across breakpoints. If anything overlaps, bring the form layer forward or adjust the stack order so it remains visible and interactive. When the layout looks right, go ahead and click Publish. Framer will build and push your changes live. Open the published link to test the form end to end. Click into fields, advance through questions, and make sure it feels smooth on both desktop and mobile. If the form appears cut off, return to the canvas and increase the height of the embed, then publish again. If it doesn't show at all, double check that you pasted the full iframe code and that the form is set to be accessible. That's it. Your Typeform is now embedded in Framer and live on your site. Thanks for watching and enjoy the streamlined workflow.